Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You're listening to Financial Survival, sponsored by Discount Gold and Silver Trading. I'm Melody Cedarstrom. Today is April 22nd, 2009, and this program is brought to you by Discount Gold and Silver Trading. And our telephone number is 1-800-375-4188. For all your gold and silver coin needs and some great advice on which coins to purchase, you need to give us a call. And we also have some good prices also. Discount Gold and Silver Trading, 1-800-375-4188. Fast shipping. You don't have to wait 6, 8, 10, 12 weeks. You get it real fast. 800-375-4188. And questions for the program, you can send them to discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. We need some questions today. We got some coming in. We have several. Send us some more at discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. And our email and our website address is discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. Discount Gold and Silver. No, that's not right. Discountgoldandsilvertrading.net. I'm moving on. Discountgoldandsilvertrading.net. Sometimes you look at something when you're doing these programs and you're concentrating on something else, and you think that your website address that you could just rattle it off, but it's just not that easy. But I can walk and chew gum, I promise you. All right, gold today. Let's see what gold did today. Gold is up $6.60 at $890.90. Still off its high, though, from $895, but we'll take it. Silver up 26 cents at $12.34. Yeah, platinum up 18 at $11.81, and palladium is up 9 at $2.35. So a pretty good day in the markets today. We'll take it. And hopefully this is the turnaround that we need. A lot of interesting information and news floating around, and we do have Robert Chapman joining us today every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and we always thank him. Robert Chapman from the International Forecaster. Good afternoon, Bob.
Oh, good afternoon, Melody.
Yes. Thank you.
I'm looking things over here, and how much was the dollar off on the day on the USDX?
0.37 at 86.15.
Mm-hmm. It traded off most of the day and giving back about a third of the gain over the last couple of days. Dollar is unable to mount a permanent rally, which tells us it's probably going lower. I put out an additional, for those of you who are on the internet and our subscribers, there's some reshorting going on, and I bet those in the issue. Gold right now is up 880 at 891.60, and silver's up 22 in the June month. So that's higher than what it was in spot, and it's been trading higher for some time. And today was a pivotal day. It was a very, very important day. And I don't think gold is going to swing back down and test its recent, you want to call it a low, which is around 868. Sometimes it goes down and tests 4 or 5 times, but see, when the market's being manipulated, if the manipulators are not on it, or they can't, how would you put it, if they can't maintain the amount of pressure that they want, in this case, gold performs the way it normally would. And I saw them in the market today, but not heavily. I think they realized that they couldn't do much. And this 2 days in a row, 2 out of 3, we were off a little bit yesterday, tells me one more day to the upside, and this thing's gone again. And I want to point out for those of you who like to look at long-term charts, both gold and silver have formed reverse head and shoulders. And so sooner or later, they're both going to break to the upside. And I think it's going to be very powerful. It'll be a move that'll go through 1,000. How much beyond that is, who knows? It might be 1,060 or it might be 1,500. I don't know. I don't think anybody does. Switching off, gold's up 920, and silver's 1228, up 22. The stock market, this was weird. It was down. It was up a little. It was down, not appreciably, maybe 15 points. Half hour later, it was up 100. And about 20 minutes before the close, it was down almost 100. And I think what's happening here is that even with the government in the market, they're unable to push it considerably higher. And they really should be mindful of that. And because, when you have a 25% gain, and that's on average on the Dow Jones Industrials, and in the other indexes, S&P, NASDAQ, the Russell 2000, the mid-cap on the S&Ps, they're all up a higher percentage, perhaps 26 or 28%, something like that. And when you have those kind of moves over like 2 weeks, you got to expect it's not going to keep up. Nouriel Roubini, who many follow, economist at the Stern seat, I guess it's at NYU. He's a professor there. And he says this is a dead cat bounce, which I said, and I think we've been topping out now for about a week. And this thing's going lower. The market's off 83 at 788. 7,887, and the Dow is off 83. Crude oil moved back to the plus side because there were good figures came out on crude oil, gasoline, and distillate inventories. They weren't up as much as they could have been. I see they took Exxon down $1 today, for whatever reason. And actually, Exxon's in a fairly weak position here, technically. It's held up pretty good during this carnage that's been going on for the last 22 months. But anyway, I see the dollar lower. I see the dollar lower. I see the market lower. And one more good day in gold, another $5 or $10 day on the upside, and a commensurate 20-cent, 30-cent move in silver tomorrow should put a capper, and this rally should really start to gain momentum. All the scrap that needed to be sold, mostly out of India, is gone. Scrap supplies are now in short offering. There's a strike pending in South Africa at the gold mines. Gold production is way down. These are all fundamental things that make it good for gold. I think we could quickly go to 960 again here. Very possible. And, we're only 70 points away, and you got to remember, in 2 days it came down 70. And so I think we're looking at good numbers. I don't have the stocks yet. I won't pick them up for another 15 minutes or so because I want to make sure I get the finals. So I think that's the way the market looks right now. I see the 10-year is moving up. It's 294. The yield on the 1 year is like 0.01. I don't get it. Why would anybody buy paper? Be in a bond? I just don't get it. and there's very few places to go to if you want to stay in cash. And I certainly wouldn't want to be in cash unless it was in my safe, for emergencies. Always put the cash beside the AR-15, of course. Anyway, I am short on questions today. I only got one, but I want to tell you something. It's a long one. Do you have it from Chris?
I got probably, and I also have another long one. I think I'll just forward it to you, but I have a couple.
Well, I'm going to read this one.